the new online video class in which we will discuss some assignment of chapter number 9, which is the zebra's pajamas. So before starting it, let me remind you once again that in the live video class I have explained all the story of this chapter. But in this video lecture, I am going to explain all the assignment of this chapter. So without any delay, let's start our video. So on the page number 72, you have given exercise number A, which is pick the correct options. In this question, you have given 4 questions, and these 4 questions you have given 3 options. So firstly, you have to read the question, then you will read the option, and then you will tick on the right option. So I am reading the question. First is zebra's sister was called. So option A, stallion, palomino, mule. In the live video class, I have told you the name of zebra's sister. So the name of zebra's sister is palomino. That's why option number B is right option. Move to the second. Mule was not to be. Options are restless and playful, lazy, stubborn and hardworking. So which option is right option? Option number C. Mule was not to be stubborn and hardworking. So option number C is right option. Move to the third question, which is the king of the animal world called all the animals to decide. Options are what to do with zebra. Option number B, how the animal kingdom should be ruled. Option number C, who would become the next king. So option number B is the right option. So the king of the animal world called all the animals to decide how the animal kingdom should be ruled. That's why your option number B is the right option. Move to the fourth question, which is little zebra did not go for the meeting because options are his alarm clock did not ring. Option number B, no one tried to wake him. Option number C, he found it difficult to get up early in the morning. So option number C is the right option. Okay. Question number B, answer these questions. So question number B is answer these questions. So in the question number B, you have given 5 questions, and in the question number C, you have given only 1 question. So I have sent this question in the PDF, so you will write the answer by watching the PDF in your CW copy, and then you will write all the answer in your HW copy. Now move to the question number D, which is a matching. So these are the, in the first column you have given words, and in the second column you have given the opposite of these words, and you have to match these words with their opposite. So first is wild. The opposite of wild is tame. So you will match first with D. Second, different. So opposite of different is similar. So you will match second with A. Third one is active. The opposite of active is lazy. So you will match third with E. Next, subject. So the opposite of subject is ruler. So you will match fourth with B. Next, fifth is presence. The opposite of presence is absence. So you will match fifth with the C. Now move to the next question, which is circle the words that mean the same as the words given in capitals. So you have given 5 words, and these are given in the capitals, and you have to circle those words that mean the same as the words which is given in the capitals. So first is romp. You have given 3 words: play, sit or sleep. So the synonym of romp is play. So you will circle the play. Next is terrified. So old, wise and scared. These three words are given and you will circle the scared. Move to the third, nudge. Poke, ask, command. These three words are given, so you will circle poke. P-O-K-E. Poke means भी push होता है and nudge means push. Okay. Next, argument, wish, quarrel and agreement. These are given, so you will circle quarrel. Move to the fifth, which is miserable. Poor, happy and unhappy are given, so you will circle only unhappy. Okay. Move to the next question. On the page number 74, you have given question number F, which is Stallion wrote a letter to his friend, but he made many mistakes. Rewrite the letter correctly in your notebook. So, in the book you have given a letter in which is written by Stallion to his friend. Okay, but he made many mistakes. Okay, and you will rewrite the letter correctly in the notebook. So, Dear Donkey. So, D is written in small letter. You will write it in the capital letter. Dear Donkey. And after donkey, you will put full stop. Next, you won't be believed. So, Y is written in small letter. You will write it in capital letter. After what you have given exclamation symbol, so you will cross it. Okay. My lazy. So you will write M in small letter. You will write L in small letter in my or lazy. Brother Zebra has done now. And after now you will put full stop. After full stop you have given the word yesterday. Okay. So you will write Y in capital letter, and after yesterday you will put full stop. The king held a meeting and we. You can see W and E both are written in capital letter. So you will cross it, okay, and you will write V, okay, in small letter. All had to go. After go you have given the word zebra, so you will write it in the capital letter. Refused to get out of bed, so we went without him. Or after him, you will put full stop. Next, after full stop, you will write the next word in capital. So you will write T in the capital letter. The king was so angry. So S is written in capital letter. You will write it in the small letter. Angry, you will write A in small letter. Okay, you will cut A which is written in capital letter. So you will remove it and write it in the small letter. After angry, you have not given full stop, so you will put full stop. After full stop, you know very well, we will write next letter in capital letter. So he is given, you will write he in capital letter. Next, then zebra. After zebra you can see there is full stop, so you will remove it. Okay, came in his pajamas. So after pajama you will put full stop. The after full stop, you know very well, we will write it in capital letter. So you will write T in capital letter. The after the king told him or he that he will have to stay in his pajamas forever. So my little brother, so you will write it in capital letter. My little brother is now sleeping. After sleeping you will put full stop. Come, you will write C in capital letter over soon and C in. After him you will put full stop. Year, you will write Y in capital letter. After friend you will put full stop. And next letter which is given stallion, you will write S in capital letter. So that's it for today. We will do another exercise in the next video lecture. For today, that's it. You will write these exercise in your book firstly, then you will write it in